You see we have a garage door here that somebody drove into. We're going to have to replace these sections here. Looks like the top panel is still in good shape, so they could save some money. And we're not going to change the top panel, we'll just replace the bottom three here. And you can see where the door impacted where the vehicle impacted the door here. You can see the inside of the garage from the side there. Take a look. And we'll go inside and take a look. Alright, I'm on the inside now. I had to climb through that window because they don't have the key to the doors. So there's the view of the crashed garage door from inside. And there's the Genie motorhead. Like they sheetrocked around it. So first thing we're going to do is unwind the spring, which is up here. They even sheetrocked around the drums up there. You see the track is still in pretty good shape, so we'll be able to reuse that. And some of the hinges might have to be replaced. Basically, I'm going to unwind the spring right now and make it safe to work on. Then I'm going to take all the brackets and hinges off, and I could get the panels down and then work on my new sections and put it back up. And I'll check in with you a little bit later to show you how it's going. Okay, so now I have the old sections out. You'll see they're right there, nice and dented. And there's the new sections ready to go in. Right here. Take a look. Alright. And then over here I have all the hardware and stuff I just took off. See all the nuts and bolts and rollers and hinges. And then you'll see the opening is all clear now. I left the spring up there and I left the tracks up. They're still in good shape. And there you go. Now I have to get to work and put this thing back together again. Alright. So I'm going to continue with the operation, and I will check back with you a little later to let you know how it's going.